Okay folks, just a quick update on the van too. As you can hear, washer fluid hasn't been working. As you can see, washer fluid hasn't been working. I remounted the tank. I ordered a new pump, but the old pump, turns out, I don't know if you can hear that, but it works. So I just gotta hook up some tubes, and the hoses are a little short, so I gotta buy new hoses, route them through. Then I have washer fluid. Put a new brake master cylinder in so it doesn't leak. And brakes feel very nice. We put new U-joints in as well. So all my vibrations are gone. The U-joints were terrible. And I'll make that the thumbnail. You can see how bad the U-joints were. Fixed some of your brake hardware because the brakes were spooling a little bit. That's pretty much all the work I've done. For a little bit, I fixed the coolant leak. I put one of the core plugs was actually rusted through and leaking. So I replaced just that core plug, and doesn't leak anything anymore now. It's really nice. I just got to do the headliner. That should be white. It's black, but I got the panel back here. Just got to do that, and then honestly, we're going to be ready to sell this puppy. We're going to be ready to list it and get her sold as soon as that headliner's done. Yeah, I hate to see it go, but I'd rather it belong to someone who's going to treat it nicer than I will, because I'm not a van person. I'm going to use this thing as utility, drive it through the salt and the snow like I have been this year, and it's going to rot away into nothing. I'm not gonna want to maintain this thing. Like, I'll do the mechanics, but I'm not gonna. I put the floors in once. I'm not gonna do it again. You know. So hopefully someone will buy it. Someone who really likes it, because I saved this puppy from being scrapped. Yeah. You know what? I'm glad I saved it, and it is adorable, and it has awesome character, but. You know what? Let's give it to someone who, let's sell it to someone who really, really loves it. You know, because I have cars I love, and I really want people to have cars that they love. So right now, the only thing that doesn't work is the radio. Radio went out, and I'm pretty sure the radio works just fine. It's just the speaker's junk. So put a new speaker in it, that original radio will come right back to life, which is nice. But yeah, that's about it for the van. Put a lot of parts, you know, the floor, starter, alternator, modules for the voltage regulators and the ignition, brake master cylinder, U-joints, rear brake hardware, front brake hardware, bulbs and switches, a ton of stuff, headliner. But yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice now. Heat works fantastic, so idle's a little high in park, but that idle kicks right down and drive. Has plenty of power, so yeah, I'm gonna go fill up with gas and I'm gonna go home. But that's where the van is right now. I think you guys would like to know.